Today we're going to be talking about the all-new XB Evo and Evo Plus LED fog lights. They're the latest iteration of a hugely successful product line launched over a decade ago that has been upgraded in every way. They're fitted with the latest in technology, compliance, quality, and styling. These fog lights are designed for enthusiasts who are serious about all of the above. XB Evo and XB Evo Plus fog lights are the industry's best combination of beam width and intensity and are fully compliant with the latest SAE J583 F3 and ECE R19 regulations for on-road use in North America and Europe. The Morimoto fog lights are expertly crafted to match all OE specifications to ensure perfect fitment and hassle-free install. They're designed as a direct replacement for the factory fog lights. The wiring is plug and play with the factory harness. Their integrated aiming adjusters allow you to dial in the beam height as well. And now let's get them installed. Begin by assessing the rear of the factory fog light assembly and disconnecting the factory fog light connector. Unscrew the adjuster's Phillips head screw and remove it and the adjuster's spring as well. Slide a thin pry tool in between the side of the fog light assembly and the fog light bezel. Repeat on the opposite side of the assembly to release the other tab. With both tabs released, pull the factory fog light assembly forward off the vehicle. For the Evo Plus model only, you switch between the white and yellow output by swapping between the included color keys. Out of the box, the lights will have the white key installed. Install your preferred key onto the gray 2-pin connector on the back of the light. This can be changed later if desired. Make sure the vehicle and the fog lights are off before swapping between the colors. On the factory fog light assembly, pinch the top of the adjuster clip and pull it down to remove it. Transfer the clip over to the new Morimoto fog light assembly. Do this for both fog lights. Insert the new fog lights into the factory fog light bezels, ensuring that the tab on either side of each fog light clips into place. Insert the bare pins on the fog light assembly into the stock fog light connector. Make sure the pins are not contacting one another and test the fog lights. If they are not illuminating, switch the pins. Insert the fog light pins into the connector on the same orientation you tested and confirmed on the factory wiring. With the pins inserted into the connector, connect the fog light wiring to the factory wiring. Position the adjuster spring in between the adjuster mounts on the fog light assembly and the fog light bucket. Insert the adjuster screw through the spring and onto the adjuster clip and thread it in a few turns. Repeat these steps on the other side's fog light. Once your fog light assemblies are installed, they'll need to be aimed for your vehicle. Follow this procedure to aim your fog lights using a Phillips head screwdriver to turn the adjuster screw on the assembly. With the car parked on level ground about 25 feet from a wall, measure the distance from the ground to the center of the fog light and the distance from the ground to the top of the fog light's beam on the wall. There should be a 4-inch drop from the center of the fog light on the car to the top of the beam on the wall. Morimoto fog lights aren't the most affordable, but they are built to a high standard and should easily last the life of your vehicle. We stand behind the product with an industry-leading 10-year warranty.